Okay, so in an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate won the election? That is the question. Okay, so the question says that there was an election. In an election, successful candidate scored how many votes? How many votes? Ashinanda, how many votes he scored? Successful candidate. There will be successful candidate also. Those who failed also. Okay. So successful candidate scored
5,705.
Yes, very good. What is the answer?
5,77,500.
Scored successful candidate. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh, mute your audio. All of you. Mute. Okay. So the successful candidate scored 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival 3,48,700. By what margin did the successful candidate won the election? By what margin did the successful candidates won the election? So what is the first step, Muhammad Fayaz? Abhaynath, on your, what is the first step? Muhammad Fayaz, can you tell me the first step?
The successful candidates.
All others you mute it. Fayaz, only Fayaz should answer, otherwise the whole class will get disturbed. Fayaz, you are knowing also no problem, not knowing. Making mistakes also no problem. You tell me the answer. Okay, you tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know, okay. Alicia, mute your audio, Fayaz. Alicia, unmute and tell me. Unmute. Tell me the answer, whether right or wrong. Tell me.
Right.
Yes. What is the first step you have to write? Tell me now. Alicia, Abhaynath. Abhaynath. Okay, I will tell the steps. First step you can write number of votes scored by the successful candidate. Number of votes scored by the successful candidate. First step you can write. Shall we start writing the answers?
Yes.
Yes, we can start writing the answers. Question
Yes,
all of you
ma'am.
wrote? Yes. So we can start writing the answers here. Okay. So number of, first step you can write number of successful, number of, yes.
Can you show question also with answer?
Question you have to write, then you have to write the answer. Okay. If you are not getting the time to copy the question, you leave some space. We can start writing the answer. Question, I want to show the question on the board.
Yes.
Yes. It will be loaded, little bit time it will take. So first question. Third answer we are doing now. So number of votes scored by the successful candidates. Number of votes this is the in an election, the successful candidates registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes.
Can I write?
Yes, right. Question is there in your textbook, no? Question is there in your textbook.
Yes, ma'am.
Third question, page number 16. Page number
Yes.
16. Question is there. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes. Copy, question copying over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we can go to the answers. Okay, we can go to the answer. What is the answer you will write? Ashram Krishna, what is the first step I told you? What is the first step I told you? What is the first step I told you?
Ma'am, I come now only.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
yes. First step what I told you? Number of votes. First step you can write. Number of steps, number of votes. Number of votes scored by successful candidate.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it is not clear.
Number of votes scored by successful. You want to show this? Number of votes scored by the successful candidates. How many votes he scored? 5,77,500.
500.
First step. Number of votes scored by successful candidate. You can write it as 5,77,500. Okay. 5 lakhs. First step, all of them copied? Yes. Second step, what you will write?
No,
Shall I
ma'am.
rub it now?
Yes. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Number of votes scored by successful candidate, 5,77,500.
Ma'am,
Yes.
that figure. That we want to write.
Yes, steps you have to write. First step, number of votes scored by successful candidate. How much he scored you have to write. 5,77,500. Many are joining late. 5,77,500. Second step, we can go to the second step. Don't rub it. I will show afterwards this answers. Enough? Okay, number of votes scored by successful candidate.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Candidates means person, no.
Huh?
ma'am, can you send
Candidates.
this in the WhatsApp?
Yes, I will send the answers through the WhatsApp.
Ma'am,
No
what is
problem.
the meaning of candidates? Ma'am,
Candidates means those who, now if an election is there, if there is an election, those who are standing for the election, you have to vote for them.
Yes,
They are
ma'am,
called
I
the
studied.
candidates.
Ma'am, yes, I studied.
Okay, those who are standing for the election. Okay, they are called. Very nice question he asked. Very good. Who asked that?
Badi Zaman.
Who?
Badi Zaman. Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
very good. That is a nice question he asked. Those who are standing for election, we will vote for them. Okay, nearest rival means his opposition. There will be different parties will be there. Congress party will be there, Communist party will be there. So means if the Congress party, what is the next rival? Rival means those opposition parties. They are called the rival. Okay. Okay, very good question he asked now. Nearest rival. Successful candidate means those who won the election. Those who did not scored the votes, they are called the failed
Rival.
candidates. Okay, very good. Okay, next step, what you will write? Number of votes.
Number of votes.
Number of votes.
Rival scored.
Votes scored by.
Rival.
Number of votes scored
Scored
by
by rival.
his rival. Okay. Now I am getting little bit interested to teach because you are asking the doubt. Scored by his rival. How many votes he scored by the rival? Ause Pachan?
3 lakh.
3 lakhs. Yes.
3,48,700.
Otherwise, I should mute you. I should remove you from this. Those who did not mute,
48,000.
don't give me the answers in group. To whom I am asking, they should answer. Okay? Otherwise, I should remove you. All of the mute. Ause Pachan not muted. I asked the question. Fatima Nehrin not muted. Mute, all of you. Otherwise, we cannot continue the classes.
Meaning of rival.
Okay, 3 lakhs, 48,000.
Meaning of rival.
700. Number of votes scored by his nearest rival. 3 lakhs, 48,700. Okay.
What is mean by rival?
Rival means I told you, those who are opposition. That means those who are standing in one party. They are opposite party. 2 will be there. 2 are participating in the election. Candidates are there. Candidates means those who are up this one. They are standing for the election. You should vote for them. They are called the candidates.
Ma'am, we study social.
In social you study. Okay. So rival means is opposite. Those who are
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am.
So
today you will send this in WhatsApp now.
yes, I will send the answers. Yesterday also I sent. Now why you are worrying? I will send the answers.
Ma'am.
Okay, don't worry about it. Okay. You write in rough book now. Afterwards, you can copy it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is answer no, ma'am.
This is second step. Answer only I am writing, but second step. First step. Yes. This is the second step.
Okay,
Now I
ma'am.
will rub it. We can go to the third step. Okay. What is the third step you have to write? Many of them not muted still. What is the third step you have to write? Margin of votes or more votes. How much more votes he got it? That is the question.
He scored.
Add or subtract? Abhay?
Subtract.
Subtract. Very good. Why you are subtracting? Because you have to, how much more votes he scored? That is the question. Okay. Now you can subtract. So which numbers you have to subtract? 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700. Okay. So now you have to subtract and tell me. I want to see how you are writing there. Okay. You are writing?
Yes.
Yes. I want to see how you are writing. All are writing and you should tell me the answer. To whom I am asking, they should only answer me.
Ma'am, we can minus.
Minus and tell me what answer you are getting there.
Ma'am.
No one should tell in group. And well, not muted.
Ma'am.
Okay. Those who are asking, they should answer now.
Ma'am, I cannot see you.
Now?
I cannot see you.
All others, they can see me.
No, ma'am.
Now can you see me?
No. All other students also.
Okay, you subtract and tell me the answer. Only very few of them they can see. What is the answer?
No, ma'am. 1 minute.
1 minute. Only one problem only we have to finish, no?
I can see you.
Finished all of you?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I tell?
Yes, tell me.
Yes,
Yes, very good.
21,900.
What?
2,21,900.
Not 21, 28,800. 2 lakhs 28,800. I should do it on the board again. I should do it.
Ma'am.
Yes. You can see now.
Yes.
Okay. 5 lakhs 77,500 minus
Mama, I cannot see.
huh? 3 lakhs 48,700. This is the question. You have to subtract. 0 minus 0, how much, Ashwant?
0.
0. Again 0 minus 0, how much, Alisha? 0. 15 minus 7, you have to do it. What is 15 minus 7?
9.
15 minus 7.
9.
9.
8.
Who told that 9?
2. 8.
8. 15. You borrowed 1 from there, so it became 15 minus 7. You will get 8. Okay. What it will become now? 6. 16 minus 8, how much it will become? 8. 6 minus 4, you will get it as 2.
2.
So what is the answer you will get? 2 lakhs
2,28,800.
2 lakhs 28,800. That is the answer.
800.
Okay. Now we can go to the fourth question. Fourth question you can find out. Okay, fourth question. Can you write the copy the fourth
Ma'am,
question?
what is that answer?
2 lakhs 28,800. 2 lakhs 28,800. Two lakhs 28. Fourth question. Fourth question.
Kirti bookstore.
Yes. No need of reading it.
Ma'am. Nirmala ma'am,
Yes.
I cannot see anyone, ma'am.
Who?
I cannot see anyone.
Now you cannot see me because I am writing on the board.
All
Ma'am,
people
but I
also,
can.
ma'am, if you want to write,
Yes, this is the question. Fourth question.
Ma'am, we will copy it from textbook.
Copy the question. If it is getting late, you can leave it. We can go for answers. Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June, and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? That is the question.
if you want to write,
Question only. You have to write it question.
and ma'am,
Yes.
if we want to write in ma'am's board,
Textbook is there with you. Question I will not send through WhatsApp. Only answers I will send. Okay.
Ma'am, can we write this in notes?
Notes only you can write. Otherwise, rough book you copy. Then answers you can copy. Afterwards, write neatly. Otherwise,
Ma'am.
directly only you can write it.
Ma'am, first on to this.
So, what you should do there? Bookstores called. So you can write the answers now. We can start writing the answers. Kirti Bookstore. It is the name of a bookstore. That's all. Abhay, all of them, their video is off. Video is off. Kirti Bookstall. 2,85,891. So number of books. What is the first step you will write, Abhay? Abhay Nath. What is the first step you will write?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
Can I say? Number of sold books were 2,85,891.
Okay, very good. That means number
No,
of
ma'am.
books sold in the month of the first week of June. Number of books sold in the first week of June. You can write
2,85,891.
Next, number of books sold in the second week of June. How much was there? 4,768. Then what you should do? Add or subtract?
Subtract.
No. Total number of books you should find out. What is the total number of books you sold?
Add.
So you have to add.
Ma'am,
Okay? We can write the steps now. We can see the steps. First step you have to write. First step you have to write number of books sold in the first week of June. Second step you have to write number of books sold in the second week of June.
Ma'am, it's the page number textbook.
Page number. So this is the answer. Number of tickets sold. That one over.
It's the page number.
Yes.
Yes, that's all.
Cost of books in the first week of June. 2,85,000. Fourth answer is here. Fourth answer. It is here. This is the answer. Fourth one.
Okay, ma'am.
Cost of books in the first week of June. 2,85,891 rupees.
And this we are
Cost of books in the second week of June.
And this we. Ma'am,
Yes.
this we are do right.
Yes. This is the answer. Fourth answer.
Wait,
Cost of books in the first week of June. 2,85,000. All of them muted their audio also. Many of them. Isaac, Abhay, Aditushar, Shreya. Everyone's video is off. On your video.
I'm finished.
Finished. Cost of books in the second week of June. 4,768. So total, this one you have to add. You'll get 6,86,659 rupees. One more part is there. In which week was the sale greater? Which week sale was greater? First week or second week? First week or second week?
Second week.
Second week. Because in second week, how much? What is the cost? 4,768. So second week is more. One more part is there. What is the difference? Difference you should find out. You have to subtract. Okay. You have to subtract. So you'll get the answer as 1,14,877. 1,14,877. Okay, finished all of you. Can we go? Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now listen. So this is the fourth question. What is the margin of first? How much? What was the total cost? How many of you are not understood? All of you?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Who did not understand?
No. Yes, ma'am. No. Yes,
Who did not understand? Ashwant. Okay. So the steps says that once again I will tell you, you can listen. Kirti bookstall, that means it is the name of a bookstall. That's all. Called books of worth rupees 2,85,891. That is the first step. That one understood? Yes.
Yes.
Second week, how much he got? 4,768 rupees he got in the second week. Then the question says that how much he got totally. How much he got totally? You have to add these two numbers. Which are the two numbers you have to add? 2,85,891 plus 4,768 rupees you have to add. You will get one answer.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now understood, Ashwant?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So that now, next one more part is there for that question. What is the second part?
Different.
Which week was the sale greater? In which week the sale was greater? First week or second week?
Second week.
Second week. Because second week, rupees he sold. How much he
Second
sold?
week.
4,768 rupees he sold. So it is more in second week. Okay. How much it is more? How you want to find out? How will you find out? You have to subtract. Okay. First one you have to add. Second one only you have to write. It is the second week. And the third part you have to subtract it. Why you are subtracting? Because how much it is more they are asking. Okay. Okay. Shall we go to the next problem?
Yes,
understood or not?
Understood.
Okay, very good.
Understood.
Okay, raise your hands. No one is happy. Yes, okay, very good. Paul, Aphenath raised his hand. Okay, very good. Annual also understood. Now we can go to the next problem, fifth problem. Okay, you can see the question. Okay, we can see the question. Fifth question, you can copy it. Fifth question, you can copy. Fifth question. Fifth question, you can copy it. Fifth question. Find the difference between the greatest and the smallest least number that can be written using the digits 62743.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Find the fifth. This is the fifth question.
No, that's six.
No, ma'am. Fifth question only.
Fifth
Yes.
one. Find the difference. This is the fifth question.
Find the difference, ma'am.
between the greatest and the smallest number which can be formed using the digit 62743. That can be written each only once. Each digit is repeated only once. That is the fifth question. Finish writing. Can we go to the next question? Answer
Ma'am,
we can
right,
go.
ma'am. Read the little totally it will not become clear.
We can go to the next problem. Next answer. What are the steps you will write? What are the steps you will write?
I am singing the song.
Who is that? I will remove them now. Those who are disturbing the class. Adi Tushar, can you tell me what you should do? What is the first step? What is the first step? What is the first step? What is the first step?
To whom? Number.
The greatest number that can be formed. What is the greatest number that can be formed? Okay, greatest number can be formed using the
Greatest
digits.
number they can form.
What is the greatest number it is formed? That is the first part. Which is the greatest number it can be formed? What is the greatest number it can be formed?
7.
Which are the digits for with you? Greatest number. First step, you have to write greatest number. What is the greatest number formed? What is the Muhammad Fas? What is the greatest number formed using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3? Which is the greatest number? First number, first digit should be 7. What is the next one you have to write?
7.
Next one 4. Next one 3, 2. This is the greatest number.
6.
7, 6. So 4, 3, 2.
4,
Greatest
3,
number
2.
will be 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Why it is greatest number? First largest digit you have to write here. Next largest digit is 6. Then next largest digit is 4. Next largest digit is 3 and 2. So the greatest number is equal to 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Smallest number, can you tell me?
Okay, ma'am.
What is the smallest number formed? Can anyone tell me?
2.
Yes,
I'm
very
sorry, I
good.
can hear.
Ma'am, 2.
Not here.
3, 4,
2,
6,
2,
7.
3,
Excellent.
4, ma'am, 2.
First one 2. Okay, very good. Second one 3. Because you are writing the smallest number. Okay, very good.
4, 6, 7.
4, 6, 7. Okay,
Very
that
good.
means you are taking interest. Okay, very good. What is the next step you will write? What is the next step you will write?
Write in using digits.
Next, a difference. You can write it as difference. Difference means what you should do? You have to subtract. Tomorrow you should 4, 3, 2 minus 2, 3, 4. You have to subtract and write. Okay, tomorrow you have to subtract and bring it. Okay. Okay, have a nice day. Enjoy. I think you understood.
Thank you, ma'am.
You have to write it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.